Alright guys, we're back, and as you know, I usually only make videos that are about 1 minute long for multiple reasons. One, they're very good to upload to other media platforms that only allow for 1 minute videos, and also um, it's just easier to have like tutorials when you have like 1 minute and 1 minute instead of like really long ones. So the idea here would be to try to put these on top that, and it does not look like they are compatible somehow. If you look here in the other drone, this part here on the top is exposed, while here on this drone it is not exposed. Unfortunately, I don't think this is going to be compatible for that specific reason. If I was to cut off this part here just to make that fit, the motors would probably just slide out, and that would be another problem that I'd have to deal with. So thanks for watching, and probably not try that. Thanks.